Welcome back. President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi held a meeting on Wednesday with the President's Advisor for Health and Prevention, Dr. Mohammed Awad Taguddin. The meeting reviewed the executive position of a number of national health initiatives, as well as the current status of the coronavirus pandemic. President Sisi gave his directives to continue awareness programs and vaccination campaigns for citizens through vaccination centers across Egypt, with making access to booster shots easy. The President also followed up the progress of the initiative for diagnosis and treatment of tumors in women and was updated on the provision of the latest equipment in this regard, as well as efforts to prevent polio. President Sisi gave his directives to strengthen awareness campaigns to ensure that all newborn babies have received the polio vaccine and booster shots. Meanwhile, Dr. Taguddin presented the epidemiological situation of the coronavirus pandemic across the country, citing a significant decrease in overall infections. Regarding various national health programs, President Sisi was updated on the initiative to end waiting lists for critical surgeries. Dr. Taguddin also presented the updates on the executive position of the National Project for Manufacturing and Assembling Plasma Derivatives. President Sisi was also briefed on the executive position of the Medicine City project and efforts to localize advanced pharmaceutical industry, especially medicines, which depend on the use of biotechnology as well as the raw materials industry. Prime Minister Dr. Mustafa Madbouli asserted that the system of wheat import is working on high efficient level, adding that more than 2 million tons of wheat have been imported so far. The Premier's remark came during the weekly cabinet meeting that was held in the new administrative capital on Wednesday. During the meeting, the Prime Minister referred to the international press conference which was held to illustrate the state's plan to face the global economic crisis. The Premier noted that the government has started the implementation of these plans. The Prime Minister gave his directives to facilitate procedures of issuing industrial licenses for new projects. Minister of Interior Mahmoud Tawfiq approved a new batch of cadets of Security Assistance Institutes for those who have obtained a preparatory certificate or its equivalent. The enrollment brochures will be available from May 21st to June 23rd from the Security Assistance Institutes in Tora, Bahira and Sohag. To join the institute, students should have Egyptian nationality and their parents should also be Egyptian, while their age should range from 19 to 25 years old and must have good reputation. The Ministry of Interior continued its campaigns to control prices of strategic commodities and arrest traders accused of hiding goods with the aim of covering overpricing. The campaigns resulted in 338 supply cases and the seizing of 109 tons of food and non-food commodities in 24 hours. Meanwhile, the campaigns targeted those behind manipulating wheat delivery system, as 170 tons of local wheat were also seized. The ministry also succeeded in seizing about 16 tons of subsidized goods.